Hello. Hi, this is Shun Luo from Thousand Oaks Biopharmaceuticals. Our mission is to manufacture affordable and accessible biologics for humankind. I will share with you how we achieve this. Thanks. So Thousand Oaks Biopharmaceutical is it's an integrated CMC organization. Actually, it's affordable and accessible biologics for humankind. That's our mission. So we have several locations. We have several businesses. First one is the cell culture media technology, including particularly suspension, serum-free, chemically defined cell culture media technologies. Second, we have single-use technology, single-use bioreactor and consumables. That is a new mechanisms of mixing and shaking to culture cells in a disposable vessel. Integrated, we have a contract development and manufacturing services. So this is why we call the integrated CMC organization. So Thousand Oaks Biopharmaceutical has the following businesses: cell culture media, liquid and powder, and dry powder. That is in the name of JSBio, JS Biosciences. Contract development and manufacturing for biologic therapeutics, single-use bioreactors and consumables. We have a JYSS brand name as our strategic partner. We also have another strategic partner for DMPK, preclinical drug evaluation for safety and efficacy prior to investigation of new drug application, IND. So this is the general aspects or areas of expertise we have. Now, we have several locations. The first place is in Haimen, Jiangsu province in China. This is Thousand Oaks Biopharmaceutical. We have CDMO and CRO facilities in this location. Secondly, on the same location, we have JSBio cell culture media manufacturing facility number 2. This is going to be the largest dry powder manufacturing facility for cell culture media, for powder cell culture media. So we have another cell culture media manufacturing facility in Lanzhou, China. That's in the northwest China, northwest part of China. This JS Biosciences has over 200-ton annual output capacity for dry powder media manufacturing. And we also have several operations as a sales and marketing center in Beijing for the North Chinese territory business. We also have a PD lab inside of Shanghai, as well as a sales and marketing center for Central China, for East China. And then we have a South China sales and marketing center in Guangzhou. Last but not least, we have a collaboration with Singapore BTI lab. That we have a collaboration laboratory to demonstrate our suspension cell culture technology, including media, disposable single-use bioreactor, and consumables. And then we have a small PD lab in the San Francisco Bay Area as a stepstone into the US market. First of all, our CDMO service location in Haimen, Jiangsu Province, China. This is in the name of Thousand Oaks Biopharmaceutical. We do CDMO and some CRO. Now we have a 10,000 square meter facility, CGMP facility that meets the compliance standard of FDA, EMEA, and CFDA, and other major regulatory agencies throughout the world. And we also have more than 1,500 square meter PD lab that covers upstream, downstream, analytical, and QC and formulation development activities. And then we have a Bosch fill and finish facility on the same site that covers 0.5 to 20 mil filling size. We can fill 40,000 vials per batch in this facility. So our CDMO-D, we have several areas of expertise, from cell line development to process development, upstream, downstream, clinical manufacturing, clinical sample manufacturing. Along the way, we have analytical testing, we have formulation development, and also quality QA/QC services. Finally, we offer commercial manufacturing after BLA. So our process development, including cell line development, media development as the core factor in upstream process development, and downstream purification, analytical development, formulation, and product characterization, QA/QC. Pilot plan, we have a process scale up, tech transfer, cell culture production, disposable or single-use bioreactor technology, fat batch, and ATF-based perfusion, perfusion and purification, formulation, fill and finish, analytical method development and qualification, validation, process validation, QC release, stability study, and so on and so forth. Process research and development. And then we have commercial scale MCB and WCB. We can establish up to 4 times 3,000 liter cell culture single-use bioreactor. Process-wise, we have fat batch as well as perfusion, purification, formulation, fill and finish, and QC. All right, quality, and then tech transfers, certainly services. Those are our focuses, from process development to GMP manufacturing. Most of our equipment are provided by the most reputable technology companies, providers, as Thermo Fisher, Bosch, Finesse, GE Healthcare, Sartorius, Merck, Minipol, Teflon, Applicon, and so forth, so on. We also have the world state-of-the-art facility for cell culture media, process development, and commercial scale manufacturing. So in Lanzhou, we have a 1,200 square meter raw material warehouse. We have P2, P3 process development lab, and we have pin mill, continuous pin mill facility up to 600 kilo batch batch size. And then we are in compliance of CGMP to US FDA and NMPA in China, ISO 9000, ISO 14000, ISO 13485 certifications. And we have developed the media business since 2011 in Lanzhou. Up to year of 2017, we've been the leading company in cell culture media business, particularly in industrial media business in China. And PR&D, we have a solid science, cell metabolism, research foundation, and then we have a state-of-the-art PR&D lab, and then we have state-of-the-art technology equipment that is world-class, and we also have adequate capacity for different sizes of bio reactor for different purposes of manufacturing. So PR&D, we did recombinant therapeutics project, more than 60, more than 200 vaccine process projects, process development and media supply, more than 40 projects that have gone through IND, and more than several tens commercialized customer. Manufacturing, CCM1 in Lanzhou, the largest annual output is close to 200 tons a year, and CCM2 over 1,000 tons a year. And then quality-wise, we are in compliance with FDA as well as NMPA in China. We are also in compliance with ISO and PDA and all related quality system, USP, ACS. So JSBio, the first continuous pinmill dry powder media facility in China, and also first facility of Class 1 medical device certified by Chinese NMPA, Chinese FDA. And now our raw material comes from the most reputable media supplier, a media raw material supplier like Ajinomoto, Applicam, Sigma Aldrich, Kiowa, and so forth, so on. We have a raw material quality system that is pretty much by USP as well as ACS. Specifically, we have animal component free. We have all the compliance standard, storage, warehouse management, supply chain system, state of the art. And then we have our final media product, physical chemical tests, biological tests, as well as additional tests as our customers, upon our customers' request. So JSBio, we have catalog media. We have also customized media manufacturing based on customers' specific requirement, including a customer's formulation. And formulation development and technical service is also what we offer to our customers. And then we have serious products from Cell Happy, from basal media to low serum media to serum-free media to chemically defined media, and also supplement and reagent buffer and so forth, so on. We have also a suspension cell platform, including our licensed from Veneva in France, the EV66 cells. We have suspension versions of all different types of cells like BHK 21, MDCK, ST, MDBK, PK15, Vero, HAC 293, SF9, SF21, SF5, and so forth, so on. So quality, leading time, service and support, supply affordability, those are our reasons to serve you. Thank you for your attention.